Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools, and today we're talking sanders, power sanders, the best power sander, handheld power sander that is, for your shop. Now there's lots of different types of sanders out there. You've got, if you need to remove large amounts of material, you're going to want to get something like one of these belt sanders, but you got to be careful, those can get away from you. Yeah, if you need a medium amount of material here, maybe you're going to go with a sheet sander, something like this, 1/4 inch, third sheet, half sheet. They got all sorts of sizes in sheet sanders. If you need just a little bit of material in a tight to reach place, you're going to have to reach for something like a detail sander like this Black & Decker mouse sander. Now, if you need to, say, remove large amounts of the U.S. economy, you're going to go for something like a Bernie sanders. But the workhorse for most shops are going to be the disc sander, specifically the 5-inch random orbital sander. That is going to be the go-to for probably 90% of the applications that you're going to do. Now, there's lots of different types of these. You've got cordless, you've got pneumatic, you've got corded. Now, so we're specifically, since we're talking shop sanders, we're going to be talking about corded sanders like this one, specifically variable speed. Now, I know a lot of people are like, why do I want a variable speed? What does a variable speed do? Variable speed gets you this little dial up here, and that allows you to change the speed of the sander. I know many people will be like, I never change the speed of my sander, in which case maybe you want to opt for the the single speed version of the tools we're going to talk about. But we're talking about a core workhorse kind of tool here, something that's the rest of your tools are going to, orbit around when it comes to sanders, if you will. And as such, having that variable speed option can be useful depending on the type of work you're going to do. In many cases, it's better to have it for that one few times you need it than not have it and be kind of stuck. Now, that said, I went out and I looked at all the different types of orbital sanders. We looked at 5-inch random orbit corded electric sanders here, trying to find out what was out there. We're going to go from bottom to top as to price. We're going to talk about each one that's out there. Now, we got the Chica. This is over on Amazon. This is a 2.5 amp orbital variable speed, 6 various speeds there, up to 13,000 RPM. Now you're going to notice, just hold on a second, you're going to notice a lot of these having a very similar look. All right, now this one is a little more basic than some of the other ones, and it's got the cloth bag on the back. I'll be honest, cloth bags, they should only ever be used like when you're sanding outside to keep the sand and dust from getting away from you, or where you can't, for some reason, hook up to a vacuum, much better yet, a dust collection kind of system, because sanding produces the worst kind of dust for you, and you're going to want to have a hose hooked up that probably go into a shop vac with a HEPA filter and the whole 9 yards. Now, that said, we're looking at $32.99. That's $33. Plus, there's a clicky coupon here down here, takes it down to $30. Now, these are all going to be sorted by list price because there are some sale prices that may make it cheaper, but those are, people may be watching this months from now, and that's not going to be applicable to them. So anyway, we'll have links to everything down below in the video details as always. So we've heard from Chica. I've talked to them. I've talked to many of you who have them. They say a good basic DIYer level tool. Next up was we have the orange generic. It literally says brand generic sander, looking very similar to the Chica there, but it doesn't have a name on it. It looks suspiciously like a Tack Life. Now, of course, couldn't be Tack Life because Tack Life got banned off of Amazon for fake reviews. And Tack Life sold this in orange, and they also sold it in a blue. Do they also? Yeah, they had a red one too. Huh. Anyway, I'm sure this isn't Tack Life. In fact, it says the seller is the Ideal Tools for Future, whatever that means. Anyway, they've got the little canister on the back, which in my experience has been better than the cloth bags. One of the worst things about the cloth bags is you hit it and the dust just pushes through it, and that's the worst thing about those things. And you're looking at $34.95 on something like this. Now, sticking up, I had to include this one. It's BLACHBOX. I think they're going for black box, but it sure looks like it's blotch box or block box or something like that. Anyway, I love this one because it's the only tactical colored one I've ever seen. Tactical colored power tools. So you can lose them easily, I guess. $37.99. It's, as you can see, very extremely disturbingly similar to the other one, and pretty close to the Chica as well. Yeah, that's something else. Then we get to the Genoa, I guess is French. I doubt it's from China. And it's very similar to the High Chica here. Anyway, you're looking at a price of $35. It's got 10% off on that. That's going to take $3.50 off of that, not quite taking it down to the price of the High Chica. Although in this case, it doesn't have the dust bag. It's got the case on the back. And it comes with not only sandpaper, but it comes with a couple buffing pads as well. So you can use it for that. All right, and the Galaxy Pro. Now, I realize these are a lot of generic, a lot of cheap ones, but that's where we start. We're going to get to some nicer ones up here. The Galaxy Pro one, it's a sander. $40, 8% off with the coupon. Comes with a good amount of sandpaper with it. Moving on to Harbor Freight. It jumps into the ring here with the Bauer, which looks surprisingly like the Black Box and the, what was the other? Was it the Jenner? No, it was the it was this thing. So anyway, the Harbor Freight, the Bauer one, looking very much like that, but it is on sale currently for $30, but normally $40 on that. I don't know. You can say what you want about it. I've not used this one. And then we've got the Roomia Random Orbit Sander. This thing is bizarre looking. It looks almost like a, let's call it a personal massager. Anyway, it comes with a bunch of sandpaper. It is at least a unique design from all the other ones. Canister on the back. Nice. One thing I like about these is they do seem to have a tall grip. Same with these other styles like this, allowing you to get easily in there and do like the standard two-hand kind of position for really controlling the sander. Remember with sanders like this, you don't want to push down to get a more aggressive sanding. If you want more aggressive sanding, choose a higher grit sandpaper. You want to use your hands to control the sander and to have it maintain contact, but let the machine do the work, okay? Anyway, it's $35. You save an extra 20% off, which I think it takes in like $28 or $29, something. It's under $30 on that one. And then we've got the Westco. Now, this is a nice looking one. This is the first design of this type we've seen with its dual thruster dust collection mechanism. I wonder if that's supposed to be like the Dyson spherical kind of thing where it spins the dust or something. Might be too small for that, but I don't know. Anyway, and it looks like it comes with a connector for a dust port to connect to your vacuum. I like that. You get some sandpaper with it. 100 grit, 80 grit, 120 grit is on top of that. It looks like a good looking tool. You're looking at $50 though on something like that. So we're stepping up here. Now, if you're over it, say there's a Menards near you, you can pick up the Performance Max, which looks surprisingly like all the other sanders we've been looking at. And it's random. I don't see any stacks of sandpaper with it. It does have the canister on it. It's after rebate, it's $36. All right. Now, how about this? We're over at Lowe's, and Lowe's has got the Skill. This is their version of a random orbit sander. Nice looking sander here. Comes with a canister on the back, variable speed control. And this thing comes in at $39.99. That's not a bad deal for a pretty well-known brand there. I know a lot of you have jumped onto the Skill line. I have as well. Been really happy with it. Over at Ace. Now, they do have Craftsman as well, but we're going to come back. We're going to talk about Craftsman in just a minute. But they have the Steel Grip 2.8. Again, this is another one of these. It looks like all the other sanders. Although instead of having hex grips, which is too bad because, as we all know, hexagons are the bestigons, as my kids tell me. It's just like all the other ones, and it's $42. I mean, granted, use your Ace Rewards. That might save you a few bucks, but how about this? Back over on Amazon, this is the first time we're seeing a dual grip system. This is the Yellis, I don't know how they pronounce it. 3-point amp, 6,000 to 13,000 RPM D-handle power sander. I like this 5-inch. Now remember, we're all talking 5-inch sanders here because 5-inch is kind of the standard. There's bigger ones out there, but for their standard shop workhorse, do everything kind of orbital sander, 5-inch is the sweet spot on that. Comes with some sandpaper. We got 60, 80, 120, 180, 240, 320. Oh my gosh. And you get the D-grip. One thing I'm disappointed with is it does have the dust bag kind of thing on the back. It'd be nice if it had the traditional, or not traditional, but the standard, what most people are using these days. But anyway, again, you're going to want to hook it up to a hose anyway. It's a unique design. Apparently, when you pull the trigger, lasers shoot out of it. That's pretty cool. But it looks like it will hook up directly to a shop vac or something like that. You get the traditional hook and loop on the bottom. This one is intriguing. I like the ability to get good solid 2 grips on that kind of thing. $52.99. Currently, there's 10% off that, so I'll take $5.30 off, taking you down into the high 40s. Maybe I might have to try one of these. We'll have to see. All right, over at True Value, we've got another one of these kind of designs here. Now, this one is $52.99. Let's talk about that. And it's got a 1-star review, and it's got 1 review on it. One thing I have to call out True Value, I'm not sure if it's True Value or Master Mechanic who did this, they put it in a full 360. I love that. Why don't more companies do that for online sales? I love being able to take a look at all the sides at once, take a look at it, spin it around. That's a great design. We need to see more of that in online sales. All right, back over at Menards, we got their big Menards Master Force, the 3-amp corded 5-inch random sander with dual thrusters. Didn't we just see something like this? I'm pretty sure we did. It was it this one? It was that one. That's remarkably similar, isn't it? I'm not going to say it's the same company providing this. You can say that. How about that? All right, $53.99, basically just under $54 with your 11% mail-in rebate. If you're not familiar with Menards, everything there seems to have an 11% mail-in rebate. And what that is, and that rebate has to be used in store, so you're going back again. All right, back over at Lowe's, Craftsman. We got to talk about Craftsman. $56.98 for your basic Craftsman here. And it's got, a dust-sealed switch. That's nice. Compatible versatile peg hook on the back. Let me see if I can open this up. That peg hook, that's the cord. Anyway, high-performance bag. Yeah, and powerful motor. Anyway, it's a Craftsman sander. For $57, let's call it. Over at the Home Depot, we're going to see Big Orange here coming out with the orange with the Rigid. Now, this is Rigid's with their, they call it the Air Guard bag system. I've had Rigid sanders before. I didn't find the bag system, maybe it was pre-Air Guard. I don't know. Maybe the bag system's gotten better. $64.97 for one of these. Now, back over at Harbor Freight, you can get the Hercules for $64.99 for 3 cents more if you like it in blue. But that said, Rigid does have the LSA, Lifetime Service Agreement. It's not a warranty. And I told you I've had issues with it, but if, 90-day warranty versus maybe they'll come through on their lifetime warranty, it's kind of hard to choose the Herc at that level. I like the Herc products. I think they're well made, but there's nothing about this Hercules sander that makes me all excited. All right, back over at Menards, we got the D-handle Super Thruster. This is the Space Cruiser version, Captain Picard's personal choice for sanders, 5-inch and 6-inch. So you got different size pads there for it. And you're looking at $71.19 after rebate, of course. All right, moving along, we've got the Dewalt. Now, if you guys remember my video, I did a video on the non-variable speed version of this. It's about $10 cheaper, and again, that's what you're going to look at. You're going to look at $5 to $10 less expensive for a non-variable speed version, which is why I'm like, bump up to the variable speed. I thought it was a decent sander. It was nothing to write home about, though. Dewalt says, look, we're for the professionals. We're a professional grade company. Will it last? Yeah. But I also have a Black & Decker sander that I've had for, well, it's as old as my oldest child, if I'm not mistaken. It's been around forever and is still going strong, doesn't have a problem. Of course, Dewalt is, Black & Decker wearing black and yellow. Anyway, Bosch. These are the guys that kind of started the whole canister on the back rather than the bag thing, if I'm not mistaken. You can get their version of the Orbital sander here, $79. One of the things, notice I'm not going into the specs much on these things, is because most of the specs on these are pretty much dead even. We can talk about, like, as far as high end, they really don't go much over 13,000. Let's see what the Bosch goes up to. It goes to 12,000 down to 75. But even if you look at the manual on the Bosch, it never recommends using the lower end speeds. In fact, all of these suggest that you should be using, like, at the lowest, the medium speed. I don't know what the low end speeds are for. Working your way up, getting warmed up, doing some stretching. I'm not sure. But anyway, the fact of the matter is that the specs are all pretty much identical. So that's why we're not really going into it so much. We're looking more at the ergonomics, what comes with it, and maybe the price, I guess. The Milwaukee. Now look at this. The Milwaukee. Now I gotta ask about this one. So we look at the Milwaukee, and we look at the skill. Milwaukee skill. Okay, not the same, but really close in design. And the reason I wonder about this is because if you look on here, there are no ratings. No one's reviewed this thing. In fact, when I did my initial search for sanders, looking through the power sanders section and stuff, it didn't come up. It's over in sheet sanders for some reason. There's no reviews on it. They're on Ace. It has a 1 or 2 star review. It's ridiculous. It's nigh impossible to find this sander. It's like they don't want you to buy it. They don't even want to admit it exists. That's kind of odd. Anyway, $89 on that sander there. So moving along, we've got the Makita. This is the first of the high-end double grip kind of sanders here. Makita makes a fantastic sander. Again, this kind of case where it comes with the bag. You're going to want to hook this up to an air collection system or dust collection system. You're looking at $89. Pretty nice price point for something like that. Now, we're over at Amazon. Bosch's dual grip, D-handle if you will, it's $139.55 on this. Now, it's got probably much more advanced than we've seen before. Their microfilter dust integration system. So there's actually a filter in this box here. So, and look at the amount of surface area you've got on that for that to pass through. That's going to give you some real airflow, which is what you need when you're trying to get, dust collection. But again, it's got the variable speed, integrated pad. This is aluminum gear housing. Okay, I guess that's a thing. And then how about this? We got to talk about the big boy out there, and that is Festool. Oh my gosh, because Festool is the best tool, right? I had a chance to use one of these at one of their road shows. I went and did a tour of it, got to play with all the tools. The thing is, it is fantastic. I kid you not, this thing is fantastic. It is designed to be used with their air system, and you plug it in at the same time. It's got all sorts of attachments. It comes with the sustainer box and all that kind of stuff. They're great. Are they $525 great? Well, if you're making good money, say doing cabinetry work, fine woodworking kind of stuff, I could see going for something like this. I could totally get that. But for the average DIYer homeowner kind of person, no, unless, I got to admit, it was a fantastic, sander. I loved using it, but I'm not going to pay $525 for it. And if you want to, I want to hear, send me pics. I want to see it. Anyway, there you go. That's your handheld, Orbital sanders. And we chose the Orbital sanders because that's the one that seems to be the real go-to for the DIYer, even the prosumer level kind of person. If one of these if you have one, you want to comment on it, put it down below, let everyone else know what your thoughts on it are. What tool would you like to see us go through next and evaluate, figure out what's the best, best price out there? What are the best options? I realize with the sanders, it's not nearly as exciting. Sanding is one of those chores that most people don't look forward to, but the reality is you got to do it. So you might as well have a decent tool for it. Hope we helped you find one here today. Anyway, while you're down there in the comment section, don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.